A great feature with this camping light that has the motion sensor, aside from having multiple ways to use the light, is that when you turn it on, it's going to stay at the level and the intensity that you left it. For example, if I switch it over to the red color and I bring that intensity way down, so it's just maybe for reading a map or something, and I don't want to ruin my night vision, now I could turn that off, and whenever I turn it back on again, it's going to remember what setting and what dim level I had it set to. So now let's say we want to have it to help our night vision, but we do want to be able to see what's going on the trail, and we turn it off, and then we turn it back on again. It's going to go right back to that same level and intensity. Of course, it's also a motion light, and it's a power bank. You can charge it up, of course, but then you can also charge your phone from it if you needed to. Hope this helps. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out.